So one of my student asked me this question. So let me read the question. This question is from classical mechanics. A particle of mass m in the potential v of x is equals to v naught cos hyperbolic x by L, where L and v naught are constants with v naught much greater than h cut square by twice m L square. The approximate value of the energy difference between two consecutive levels is. So how can you do this? What extra thing is given to you? V naught is much greater than what is given to you, h cut square by twice m L square. So what we can do to solve this particular question? So we can expand this. So this will become v naught cos hyperbolic x by L. We can write it e to the power x by L, okay, plus e to the power minus x by L divided by 2. So we are taking this 2 here. Now what we can do, we can expand simply this e to the power x by L in infinite series 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial and so on. So this one you will get from the first term, and from this term it will go on like this. So we are keeping it in this parenthesis, and for the next term what will you get? 1 minus x by L plus x by L whole square divided by 2 factorial, and it will go on like this in this way. Understood? And there will be a third bracket at the end. Now let us see what is surviving and what is omitting. So this 1 and plus 1, it becomes 2, and this x by L becomes 0. This is getting cancelled, and this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so this becomes 1. So x by L square, and other higher order terms can be neglected. Okay, so we are only keeping these two terms. Other higher order terms are getting neglected. So what we can write? We can write it as v naught plus half into v naught by L square into x square. So is it not in the form, you can see, you can compare this with this form of potential v of x is equals to some 0 value v naught plus half k x square. Okay, and what is k? If you compare this equation with this one, you can easily find out the value of k. K is a spring constant. Okay, k is equals to v naught by L square. Okay, so you know the value or importance of k in harmonic oscillator. So this is a harmonic oscillator potential, and you know the energy difference between two consecutive levels in harmonic oscillator, it is given by h cut omega. And what is omega? Omega is nothing but root over k upon m. Okay, so we have found out the value of k. So your omega becomes v naught by m L square. So once you know omega, we can easily find out the separation between two consecutive levels, which is given by h cut omega. If you consider a harmonic oscillator, you know the difference between the two consecutive energy levels is given by h cut omega. So if you just put the values, you get h cut into omega, we have got value v naught by m L square. So you can take out this h cut and L, so it becomes h cut by L root over v naught by m. Now let us see which option is it matching with. So it is correctly matching with option B, h cut by L into root over v naught by m. So the approximate value of the energy difference between two consecutive levels will be h cut by L root over v naught by m, and it is correctly matching with option B. Okay, so I hope you have understood the solutions, and if you have any query regarding this solution, you can ask me. And let me just tell you guys, I also give coaching on Unacademy for CSR Net physical science exam. So if you want to join my Unacademy Plus classes, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code PhysicsHub, and Unacademy will offer you 10% off. And before I end the video, let me just tell you, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.